We got some bolts from the dealer so that we can mount our brackets on here. I'm like, because all I have is and that 1.5. Gotta get this in there, bro. We gotta get this in there. If we mess with our little friend wretches. Everything just, you know, flying on. Those eventually. All right. This one goes on this side. So the part number for your passenger side bracket, and this is if you have to do the front end. Okay. Just gotta maneuver some things. Get it in there just a little bit. We can decide which one we want to put on there. Lift this up though. I only made this difficult for myself, right? Because I should have put this on here before I put the bracket in there. There we go. I'll have to go down there and find that one. I believe it should be a T30. This is a little not too snug. T-bits was in. 225, so we got the T30 over here. Yeah, way more snug. Come here, come here. Get over here. That's crazy. Just spinning no way. And try to get this intake off, squeeze, and try to wiggle that on. I might have to cut that one because it's annoying right now. Then make sure you take your connectors off, right? Normally I use a little pick tool. You use this. Just pry this up just a little bit. I like that. Okay. I didn't think it should be. Just pry this up just a little bit. I like my pick tool better. Just pull it out. I'll do the same with the top one up here for the diesel valve. Go. It's the same looking. Nope, the diesel valve is definitely larger, so we know how to come back with that one. And we got to get this hose off of here. It's really just pinching and kind of pulling, wiggling it off. Things be so brittle. I think I'm gonna just cut that shit. I think I'm gonna just cut it, guys. Did somebody lock my drawer? Shouldn't be locked. What as hell? I thought somebody locked my drawer. That's what it felt like. Alright, so this should be able to just come on out. If I'm not mistaken. We should have everything out the way. We still got this vacuum line down here. I'm not good at getting these off. This is the vacuum line we need to get off. Jesus. And then we can take our diesel valve off the back. That one got 3 screws from the front though. Get our T25. Monty, you back there fighting? What you doing, Monty? Yes, baby. What are you doing? That way we can get the diesel valve off the back. Pry it off. Nope, this one's not broke either. Doesn't look like it. Oh. Open though. Both of them open. I'm not sure if they're stuck open.
What do you want to be when you grow up?